Hello, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, I'm gonna show you a quick and easy Excel formulas for accounting in under 3 minutes. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So here are some quick and easy Excel formulas that can be useful for accounting purposes. Now, what we're going to do is open up Excel on your computer. Now, let's open a blank workbook here. And first is the sum. If you have here some numbers, this formula adopts a range of numbers. To use it, simply just select the range of cells you want to add together. Then type sum equals sum. Then open close parenthesis. And followed by the cell of range. Next is average. The formula calculates the average of range of numbers. So to use it, select the range of cells you want to average. Then type average equals average. Then open close parenthesis. Next is max. This formula finds the highest value in a range of cells. So to use it, select the range of cells you want to find the maximum value for, and then type equals max. Then open close parenthesis. So next is the mean. This formula finds the lowest value in the range of cells. So to use it, select the range of cells you want to find the minimum value for, then type equals mean. So that's it. That's the other formulas. And if you want to learn more, just go here in the formula tab here, and you can see that there are various options in financial, logical, text, date, and here in financial. It usually used here for accounting. We have also here in the math. So that's it. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!